mess. But still, we got something in the mail, and it's really cool. It's some parts for my quad. I'll turn the camera around right here, and then yeah, here they are. Some nice SUNF tires. There's a tread pattern. We're not yet going to put them on because I have school, wrestling, and all that. But yeah, they are some nice tires. They're supposed to be puncture resistant and stuff. But yeah, so guess I can see you guys when putting these bad boys on. So yeah, guys, this is the tires right now, and I'm gonna go move this. Do that one trick with like the WD-40 or whatever, and then light it on fire?
No. There, it popped that time.
Alright, now pull it in. Really tight. Really tight. Alright.
Yeah, but it has better grips now. Because it's a new tire.
Hey guys, so it is currently the next day, so you can kind of see. But this time I got a light. I already got the stands on because I don't have a recording person or whatever you want to call it. But yeah. You know what? Let's start with the other side. And that tire's flat too, so now let's screw these back on. Keep that on there. Okay, I could just use my finger like this. But it's too slow, so I got a felt stem remover. Yeah. Should be easier with this. using my phone. Like, no air came out of that. The dog ran out. Okay guys, so here's the progress. We got that, wherever that tire went. Anyway, we got the tire off. We put this tire on the rim. But not all the way yet, but that's progress so far. And we had to cut the tire off because, yeah, it's just messed up. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when I'm actually putting on the quad over there. That sexy thing, yeah. But yeah, there's progress. Still have that wheel to go, and put that one on that rim right there. Yeah, and finish putting this tire on that rim. Right there it is. See, we had to cut it like there's wires and all that. So yeah, there's that. Still on the stand. It's all good. What are we? Alright, so yeah, I'll see you guys when I put these on. Guys, I just did this all by myself. I actually put this tire on all by myself. That's pretty great because I never thought I'd be able to do that. It was a struggle on my back and all of that. But yeah, we still have this tire to go. I think I'm gonna try to pop the bead on this one. But yeah, I just need to put this valve back in, so it doesn't matter. Whichever one, grab the valve stem remover. All right, here we go. There we go. Now that, I'm gonna put this back on the slime, and then guess try to pop the bead. So guys, right now I'm just, yeah, I'm in my pajamas, but I'm just tightening this. Let's see if there's still some air in this. All right. That thing was so annoying. On again, because that was really annoying. Wait! Oh! Did it pop on? I think I just did it, guys. Hey guys, so we got this tire on. Finally, like I left it overnight because the one side bead of the bead wouldn't just pop. But yeah. Now I'm about to just put it on. These. Screw them. There we go. Tire's on. Oh, that actually looks nice. Alright, let's get these 4 bolts. And we're just gonna screw it on. Okay. And then yeah, I'll see you guys when I put all of these on, and after that, okay? So guys, we got the tire on. It's all good to go. Oh yeah, duh. It's on the jacks. So yeah, I think that looks pretty nice. From 2 tires. I can't test ride it today because it's like rainy out, you know, like pouring down rain outside. But yeah, oh yeah, the tires look really nice. But now I'm gonna see you guys. Probably not today. I don't know, but this tire. I need to wait for my dad because I cannot pop the bead off. The bead's like the hardest part to pop off. And hopefully we won't have to cut the tire like we did that other one over there. So, yeah. I'll see you guys when we either pop the bead off, or when I put the rim in the tire. So yeah. Guys, my quad is finished. We didn't get that tire on because we broke two of these lug nuts right there. Yeah. But yeah, and I did not record that part, so I'm sorry, but we will be testing those tires in a ride day. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notification on. Make sure you guys like the video. Till next time, peace.